Hi, today I'm making authentic pork sinigang using fresh tamarind pods. No instant mix, just real ingredients. We found young green tamarind at Great Wall Supermarket here in Colorado, and I honestly got so excited because fresh tamarind makes such a big difference. The broth tastes brighter, cleaner, and more natural. Sinigang has always been one of my comfort foods, and cooking it from scratch just makes it even more special. For this recipe, you'll need about 2 pounds of pork, spare ribs, belly or shoulder all work well. You'll need 1 to 1.5 pounds of fresh young tamarind pods, 1 medium onion quartered, 2 to 3 medium tomatoes also quartered, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis, half to 1 small head of napa cabbage, chopped and separated into stems and leaves, 2 to 3 cups of sugar, snap peas, trimmed, and about 8 to 10 cups of water. Optional, finger chilies if you want a little heat. I use jalapenos. Sinigang is believed to be one of the oldest Filipino dishes dating back to pre-colonial times. The word sinigang comes from the Tagalog verb sigang, which means a stew. Long before seasoning packets existed, Filipinos were already cooking sour soups using native ingredients like tamarind, kamyas, and guava. Unlike many other Filipino dishes influenced by Spanish or Chinese cuisine, sinigang remained mostly rooted in indigenous cooking traditions. It's simple: meat, vegetables, and something sour. But that balance of flavors is what makes it timeless. Start by preparing the tamarind. Wash the pods thoroughly, then place them in a pot with about 2 to 4 cups of water. Let them boil for around 20 to 40 minutes or until they become soft. Once softened, mash them well to release the pulp. Strain the mixture and press the solids to extract as much juice as possible. Set the tamarind extract aside. In a large pot, combine your pork, onion, tomatoes, and the remaining water. Bring everything to a boil and skim off any foam that rises to the top. Once it's boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the pork becomes tender. After the pork is tender, slowly add the tamarind extract. Pour it in gradually and taste as you go because the sourness can vary. Add fish sauce to taste and let the soup simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes so the flavors can come together. Next, add the napa cabbage stems and sugar snap peas. Let them cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, add the napa cabbage leaves and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes just until wilted. Turn off the heat and let the soup rest briefly before serving. Serve your pork sinigang hot with steamed rice. The broth should taste savory, bright, and balanced, not too sour, not too salty. The pork should be tender, and the vegetables still slightly vibrant. Honestly, it tastes even better the next day after the flavors settle. Making sinigang with fresh tamarind takes a little more effort, but it's worth it. It feels grounding to cook something so traditional, especially when you're far from home. If you try this recipe, let me know how sour you like your sinigang. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple from scratch recipes. See you in the next video.